Kayla. Savvy girl. Hi.
Oh my
Oh
God!
my God, Liz.
Happy birthday!
That's a
Oh,
big
you guys. What
surprise.
a surprise.
Oh, who else is here?
I can't
Here.
see.
Just me.
When
I
did
need
you
to go
get
over
here?
here.
Saturday.
Oh my God. Oh my God, what a surprise. Mwah. You little stinker. I talked to you on the phone this morning.
What about the kids?
They're home by themselves.
Oh no, Mike's with them.
Hi.
Oh my golly me. Look at the place.
Isn't it
I
cute?
love.
Oh my
Oh, how
God!
pretty.
It's for your birthdays.
So you're filming too, because I was filming.
Oh
Wait,
my
wait,
gosh,
wait.
Liz, you came here to decorate, because Liz is a decorator, right?
Happy
You guys have a good
birthday.
flight?
Yes.
Fantastic.
Are you surprised?
Yeah.
Yes!
Yeah.
Very, she's died. Comes out the door.
Hi.
Oh,
The cat
Mom
ran
says
like
a few
crazy.
days ago. You said a few days ago. I have feeling that Liz is going to be there. Didn't
No,
you
I
say?
thought
She
yeah,
kept asking me.
That was wishful
She
thinking.
wishes that the family was going to be there. Not the family, it's just me. Just me.
Savvy.
And then there's
Savvy
Savvy.
girl.
Where's Savvy?
You have to watch where you walk because she'll walk very close to you. So you'll step on her if you're not careful.
Oh, you're
Anyway,
so pretty.
all right, Dad, come here.
You're so pretty. Yes, you
Mwah.
are.
Mwah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
cute.
mwah, mwah.
Okay. All right, that's all you get.
Cute.